Front glass display outer lens compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 8 SMN950 2017 including Toolkit, Black Comprehensive Repair Kit, Professional Toolkit including 1x Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 1x Suction Cup, 1x Spudger, Lever Tool, 1x Pry Tool, 1x Wipes, 1x SIM Pin, 4x Screwdrivers, Phillips #00, Phillips #000, Torx T2 and Pentalobe P2, for easier installation. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 8 SMN950 2017 Important, please check the model number of your device before purchasing this item. You can find the model type of your device on your device and/or in the settings. Installation, we suggest to seek advice from a professional before replacing the front glass display. This is an extremely technical procedure, please familiarize yourself with the process first, before you buy the set and before attempting it yourself. We cannot take any responsibility for damage incurred during the replacement.